Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm planning to do an announcement. Maybe you can already guess, but from the videos which I did in the past couple of days, I did kind of spoil away this moment, because right now we are in the middle of building our home, or our new home. And basically right now the state, how it looks like, and we are putting the foundation together. And the foundation, so far learned, it has three main layers. One is the layer which is filled till to the ground. Let me show you. So there is a concrete field till the level of the ground, and in my case it's a bit below of the ground level, because there is a level difference of couple of centimeters. If we move to the other corner you will see exactly, and that's the field level. Then there is the elevation level. Usually they are putting metal frames. In my case it was paired out, because it's not always needed, it depends from the geodrill. The next layer is the elevation layer, so this layer is the elevation layer for me. And then the last layer is called the planche. So it will give a level of your whole ground. And you might can see that it is filled up with rocks, small rocks, but not necessarily. So like there is the first layer of the filling is with earth, the second layer is with earth with mixture with small rocks, and the last layer is this rocky sandy layer, and this will be filled with a full of concrete layer. You might have seen there are a few equipments like a bulldozer, like a vibrating machine, I don't know the right name to call it, and a mini excavator right now. So very intense work at the moment what is going on. All the workers are out now because it's in the late afternoon. The sun it's just going down, it is sunset. And yeah, that's the biggest project what I have started at this year as a common goal for my family. And would see the progress. If you would like to see the progress, then do not hesitate to hit the like button if you like it, this kind of type of content, because I'm planning to have more type of contents like that since we are in the middle of building it. And subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for your attention. Wish you an amazing day. Bye.